Plantain na food wey we dey chop for our locality. Plantain dey very important for our body because e get iron, and iron dey give us power to do work. See how we dey prepare this plantain. First, boil water fine. The water go boil. You peel your plantain all. You pieces your plantain, you put for pot. If you get your meat, dry meat, you put am. If you get fish, anything, you first put am. You put salt, you go check say the season where you, those things where you put so, they don done. You put oil, you put crayfish, you put maggi, you cover am. When the thing don boil for some time, you go check whether the seasoning, that is the salt and every other thing where you put, e dey in order. You test am. When you test am, the thing no dey in order, you add again. You allow it for some time, make it boil. After e don boil, if you get seasoning like otasi, you cut the otasi, you put am. Otasi is an appetizer. It makes you eat fine and you drink water well.
Have you ever visited Effraya or any other place in ETUNG local government? We would love to hear your experience. And stay tuned till next time when we'll bring you more recipes from other regions in Nigeria.